The iPhone 17 Pro Max release timeline is finally locked in, and the pricing news isn't what anyone wanted to hear. Apple officially confirmed their September 9th event at the Steve Jobs Theater, but here's exactly when you can actually get your hands on the iPhone 17 Pro Max and what it's going to cost you. Mark your calendars because September 9th at 1 p.m. Eastern is when Apple unveils everything. Pre-orders start Friday, September 12th at 5 a.m. Pacific, and the actual release date is Friday, September 19th. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room: pricing. The Pro Max is expected to jump from last year's $1,199 starting price to at least $1,249. Some reports suggest it could go as high as $1,299 for the base 256GB model. Jefferies analysts cite nearly $900 million in quarterly tariff costs that Apple is dealing with, plus years without major price increases. The price breakdown: the regular iPhone 17 stays at $799. The iPhone 17 Air lands around $899. The iPhone 17 Pro jumps to $1,099, and the Pro Max hits that $1,249 mark. Apple might be doubling the base storage to 256GB on Pro models to justify the price increase. What's driving these higher prices? Apple's packing serious upgrades into the Pro Max. That full-width camera bar with three 48-megapixel cameras, the largest battery ever in an iPhone at over 5,000 mAh, 12GB of RAM, and the new A19 Pro chip. So here's the bottom line. If you want the iPhone 17 Pro Max, be ready to pay at least $1,249 when pre-orders go live on September 12th. The phones hit stores on September 19th. This might be the most expensive iPhone generation we've ever seen, but also potentially the most significant upgrade in years.